In 8th standard, there is a topic regarding the change of division, the change of seasons and the division of temperature zones. For this, I have made this instrument, this teaching aid. Here an important factor is the motion of the sun from the Tropic of Capricorn to Tropic of Cancer. Actually the sun doesn't move, but it seems because of the inclination of the axis and the rotation of the earth around the sun. At the same time, the inclination is always to the one side. Because of these three reasons, we get the seasons, and the change of seasons, we feel the change of seasons and the division of temperature zones. If we work this instrument or this teaching aid, we can see this. See here, the month of June, the sun will be in the Tropic of Cancer. That means the vertical rays of sun comes on the Tropic of Cancer on month June, and so then on September it will be in the equator, and on December 22nd it will be in the Tropic of Capricorn, and on March it will be in the equator. That is that.
So once again, can you put it in some September and show me something like that?
It is
Oh my God.
yes, equator. Dangling is not allowed.
That's fine.
So it will come to the equator. Just like it will be. That's
Wonderful. Well explained.
slowly, the instrument is very sensitive.
Yeah, no problem. I understand. And just some other location?
December. 4 locations are...
Actually, while rotating this way...
Rotating anti-clockwise.
Okay.
Anti-clockwise.
Okay.
Not clockwise,
But
anti-clockwise.
while rotating, what is changing here?
Rotating the vertical rays
Right.
on the falls on the earth. Vertical rays on sun. Or the tropical regions.
So while rotating, this is lifting.
Yes.
You made it such a way,
Yes.
it is lifting.
Yes.
Oh, when it is lifting, then automatically that also is lifting, no?
No.
Huh.
It is placed constant.
Oh,
Yes,
that-
it is placed as constant.
So what is lifting then? This is lifting?
So nothing is
The rays.
only ray is falling.
So my